I'm now joined by two members of Restoration House Ministries, and actually we're joined by the new executive director, Nadine Henson. Welcome.
Thank you so much. Glad to be here.
Yes, it's great to see you, and we're here with a familiar face, Miss Carolyn Jones.
That's so true. We're going to keep going for as long as we can.
Yes, yes, and we have an annual event, something we're very familiar with here in the Crossroads. It's the 1,000 Strong Overcoming Obstacles 5K.
Do you like our big cheat notes?
I do love it because I can look at it for help. No, it's wonderful. And it's at Patriot Park.
Yes.
On a Saturday.
Third Saturday in April.
Yes.
Coming up fast, y'all.
Coming up fast. Do you have a lot of registrants already?
We do. We're looking to get about 300 runners this year. Super excited about that. It's your only like Tough Mudder mud style race like in our local area, you know, for 2 hours in any direction. And it's definitely the cheapest.
Yes.
And all your proceeds stay local to support an incredible cause, Restoration House Ministries. And so it really is a win-win.
And y'all do such important work here in the Crossroads, from helping people dealing with domestic violence to providing shelter to those in need. Talk to us a little bit more about restoration and what y'all are doing this year.
So we're very excited this year because not only are we continuing with our women's home, but this year we're also looking at trying to open our men's home. We've already started remodeling it. We are in that process, so we are very excited. The men's home will be for young men. Just in the same way we help restore lives, restore families. We want to do the same thing for men. So we're very excited about our future. We're very excited about where we're going and where God is leading us.
And 1,000 Strong Overcoming Obstacles. So what are these obstacles? Is it drug abuse, domestic violence? What are the obstacles y'all are helping your clients with?
Any trauma.
Any trauma.
Any trauma. And what we've discovered is that the things that people think are the issues, like we think drugs and alcohol are the issues, they're not, right? They're the way that we self-medicate like the real issues. And that's why Restoration House Ministries is so effective. Like we have anywhere between a 90 to a 95% success rate for those who actually graduate our program not returning, because we get to the root cause of it. And when you address that in a situation, right, in a house that's surrounded, right, you're surrounded by the love of Christ, you actually heal it, and you don't return to it.
And for participants of this upcoming 5K, just imagining your own personal obstacles in life, right?
Yeah.
And overcoming those and giving back to a great cause. I can't think of something more cathartic.
I agree. I always say that I love the race because it extends the restoration of the home to the community. And if you're struggling in an area in your life, come do this race, because the triumph that you get over like tackling those walls and those monkey bars, it carries to the areas of your life. It rushes over just like a cup that runs over. And it's fun. It's just really fun. There's several mud pits. The Army comes out. There's a cold plunge and tire flip this year. We're really excited about what the race is becoming. And this great, gorgeous sign is not just a really great prop. We're starting a campaign this year, so we're moving this around the city to different businesses that have said yes. And if you find it, take a picture of it, say, hey, I found it, throw that on Facebook and tag us. We're putting you in a drawing to get your 2026 race entry covered. So you get to run for free, and you get to help promote this race and this incredible ministry that's been here since 2009.
Yes.
Not going anywhere, y'all.
Yeah, no, doing tremendous work. Here. And you have the thrift shop too.
Gleanings, yeah,
so
resale store. Best place in town. You can get change your whole wardrobe for like $10. Like, get a full flip.
It's awesome. It's a great place to be. Great place. The people working there are fantastic, and they love on everybody who comes in. And we have everything there, from clothes to furniture to accessories. So come on by.
Yeah, and it all goes back to help the shelter.
That's right. Restoration House Ministries.
Well, thank y'all so much for everything you do.
Thank you.
I might put that on my calendar. I like to get my steps in early on Saturday.
I mean, get in, you're done by 9, go on with the rest of your day. I will say, if you're interested in this, if you want to come in and be a sponsor, a vendor, a racer, or just a volunteer, restorationhouseministries.org is where you can do all of that. You can also learn more about us. You can also apply to be in the program there. So it is a one-stop shop, restorationhouseministries.org.
Thank y'all so much.
Thank you.
All right, well, that does it for this week's show. Be sure to take care of yourself and others, and we'll see y'all next week.